Hi everyone! Today I will show you a pumpkin cookies recipe without eggs. These eggless pumpkin cookies are my new favorite. They are made with fresh or canned pumpkin puree and coated with sugar. They are seriously soft and chewy. You'd never guess they are eggs-free. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. We are going to start with half cup of softened unsalted butter and half cup of white granulated sugar. Just mix until combined for a minute or two. Then add half cup of pumpkin puree. Before you add this to your cookie dough, we need to place the pumpkin puree in a sieve to remove excess moisture and mix together. When our wet ingredients is ready, mix to combine the dry ingredients. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of ground ginger, and quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg. After that, mix to combine the dry mixture with the wet until the dough forms. Chill the cookie dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we are preparing the cookie coating. Half cup of white granulated sugar and half teaspoon of cinnamon. After chilling, scoop your cookie dough into balls and roll those balls in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Then place them on a cooking sheet. Bake them in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes. My cookies are ready. Let them cool completely. These are so tasty, soft and chewy, and will totally get you in the fall spirit. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.